A regular can of beans. Or is it? Hey guys, another quick video today to show off another quick project that I've been working on recently. This time, an insert for a can of beans that allows you to turn it into a neat little stash, perfect for hiding valuables or other, even smaller cans of beans. Anyways, to begin with, use a can opener to take off one end of the can of beans. I'm not sure about standard international bean sizing, but I've designed this for a can of beans with an internal diameter of around 72mm. That's just the beans that I had. Anyways, so take one end off the bean can. Either end works, but I like to use the pull tab end because then the rest of the can can still retain water and is therefore more useful as part of a survival kit, which is one possible use of this can. Once you've taken the end of the can off, eat the delicious beanie contents. Fun fact, I had to eat almost 2 kilos of baked beans in order to make this video. Anyways, clean the inside thoroughly and then we're ready to start gluing. The print consists of two parts, one which is glued to the can and one to the end of the can. To begin with, glue the end of the can you took off to the not O-shaped 3D print. I'm using the can here to line up the parts. Once initially dried, it may be useful to weigh down the parts with something large and heavy. Once that is dried, take a file and go around the edges of the newly glued piece to remove any excess glue. Next, put the two pieces together. Turn upside down and glue around the rim of the O piece. Put it into the clean can and push down. Let it dry for a few minutes, then turn to remove the cover piece. Apply more glue around the top of the O piece. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple, but very effective. Unless you really look up close at it, it just looks like a regular bean can. It's stiff enough to where you need to know what you are doing in order to open it, which is nice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Files as always are free in the description. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, maybe consider subscribing. Anyways, see you next time.